Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create dramatic effect in Snapseed. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Open your image in Snapseed. Open Snapseed and tap Open to select your photo. Choose an image with strong lighting, shadows, or a moody atmosphere for the best results. Step 2. Apply the dramatic filter. Tap Tools, Drama. Select a drama preset, example, Drama 1 or Drama 2, based on your preference. Adjust the filter strength and saturation using the sliders. Tap Check to apply. Step 3. Adjust contrast and shadows. Tap Tools, Tune Image and Modify. Contrast, +20 to +50 for deeper tones. Shadows, -20 to -50 to darken areas. Highlights, +10 to +30 for more pop. Saturation, +10 to +20 for richer colors. Ambience, +20 to +40 for a balanced tone. Tap Check to apply. Step 4. Enhance details with Details tool. Tap Tools, Details, Increase Structure, +20 to +50 for sharper textures, boost sharpening. +30 to +30 to refine details. Tap Check to apply. Step 5. Add a vignette for focus optional. Tap Tools, Vignette, adjust the inner brightness to highlight your subject. Reduce the outer brightness, -30 to -50 for a moody effect. Tap Check to apply. Once satisfied, tap Export. Choose Save or Export to keep a high-quality version of your edited photo. And that's everything you need to know about how to create dramatic effects in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.